Hi, John Czapko, Thrive Insurance Group. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, I wanted to talk about some of the fundamentals of auto insurance, whether it's personal, commercial, and give you some tips and tricks on how to save some money with your auto insurance policies. So some of the fundamentals of auto insurance, you're going to start with your liability coverage. That could be split limits, that could be combined single limits. Split limits would be one number, a bigger number, one number. So 100, 300, 100. 100 bodily coverage, 300 bodily coverage in an accident, 100 property damage. So think about property damage as their property, not your property. So that person's vehicle. Make sure that number is going to cover that person's vehicle in an accident. So if you only have $50,000 in coverage, guess what? You might be liable to cover the damages for someone else's vehicle. So make sure you look at your coverage properly there. Commercial side is a little different. We look at things in combined single limits most of the time, $500,000, $1 million in coverage. And basically what that means is they take away the limits and lump that into one lump sum. So property and bodily injury are lumped into $1 million worth of coverage. So they don't split it out, and it gives more flexibility from a claims perspective. Again, that's where the most bulk of the premium comes from in your auto policy is the liability coverage. The next level of coverage is uninsured, underinsured motorists. Get that. There's people without insurance driving around today. Commercial vehicles are a target when you have your name on the side. Just get that coverage. It's generally not that expensive, and please get that coverage. It will protect you in case of an accident when they don't have insurance on your vehicle. Please make sure you look at that coverage. MedPay, personal injury protection. Those are important things to look at. MedPay is a little more limited. It just covers some of the basics in case someone injured or worse in an accident. PIP, personal injury protection, is a little more broad-based. It covers some lost wages and some things. We recommend people going to PIP. It's not, cost difference is $100 to $150. It's not policy period, so we're not talking about huge expenses here. So go down the PIP path if you can. And then the last piece is comp and collision. This protects your vehicle, not their vehicle. This protects your vehicle in case of an accident or some sort of an issue. So collision is when you're involved in an accident with another vehicle or some sort of structure or something, you will have collision for your vehicle. Comp is if there was something else done to your vehicle, vandalism, flood, something of that nature. So make sure you have those. Two other tips to save money on your insurance. If you're a commercial trucking risk and you have cargo insurance, get a cargo policy that's separate from your auto policy. That way, if you have a cargo claim, which does happen, it doesn't ding your auto insurance rate. So you can have that as a separate cargo policy with a different carrier. It doesn't affect your auto insurance rate. And then those of you that have roadside assistance on your commercial or personal vehicle, try to get that with a third-party coverage. I recommend that. Certainly with my family, we had that. We have it with a third-party coverage person. That way, if you do have to have roadside assistance, it doesn't ding as a claim on your auto coverage as well. Just a little tip to try to save some money on the claim stuff, because claims do matter in insurance. If you have any other questions, please reach out to your local broker or your local agent to have these conversations. Make sure you're reviewing your coverage often. Make sure you have the proper coverage in place to ensure your business is protected. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us via YouTube, via Facebook, via email. We'd love to be of service. And if we can help in any way, please let us know. Thank you again. Have a great day. Thrive today, protect tomorrow. Take care.